Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up two-factor authentication in the X app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the X app. And here it opens up in the feed where we have our posts. Then we can just swipe to the right. And then at the bottom of this list, we find settings and support. Then we tap on settings and privacy. And then in this list, as a second option, we find security and account access. Then at the top, we find security. Tap on this. And then we find the two-factor authentication. If we tap on the two-factor authentication, then we can set up the things, the functions where we want to use two-factor authentication in the app. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.